Yep, new day. How's everyone doing? This is my first pickup.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. How's this guy ready to go?
2 hours, like here and there, like during the
4 houses from my destination. The one thing I couldn't get out of my head while I was driving around the highway, firewood smell. It just kept hitting me over and over. All right. Got here. Arrive here at McDonald's. I have this set to go. It's going to be a 24-minute drive in the mountains. So, you're missing out. Nah, I'm kidding. It's a 24-minute drive though. This is the view from up in the mountain. Yeah. Up in the mountain view. I love driving in the mountains. To me, it's the most peaceful drive. Because everyone who drives in here, they mostly mind their own business, you know? Should I wear them back? I think that's just throw over here to the burger. There's the drink. It was a 9-minute drive. I'm currently 6 minutes away, and it's a $15 delivery. Made it here. A little more and then I am home. Coolest thing for me today, the firewood smoke was hitting me. That was really cool. Driving in the mountains was really cool. That was really cool. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I will see you tomorrow.